Hello everyone, is your car experiencing poor throttle response or suddenly going into limp mode? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0639 code, it means there's a problem with the Throttle Actuator Control (TAC) system, Bank 2. A failing throttle system can cause jerky acceleration, reduced power, and even engine stalling. In this video I'll explain what P0639 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the sensors and components so you can fix the problem easily. Let's get started. What is P0639? The P0639 code stands for Throttle Actuator Control, TAC, Range, Performance, Bank 2. This means that the throttle body on Bank 2, usually the side opposite to cylinder 1 in a V6 or V8 engine, is not functioning correctly. Since modern cars use electronic throttle control, any failure in this system can cause serious performance issues. Common symptoms of P0639. Check engine light on limp mode activation, engine power reduced message, slow or unresponsive throttle, rough idling or engine stalling, poor acceleration and fuel economy. If you're experiencing any of these, it's time to inspect the key components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them. To diagnose P0639, check these key components: throttle body and throttle position sensor, TPS. Bank 2, location. Mounted on the intake manifold of Bank 2, opposite the first cylinder side. Function: controls airflow into the engine based on accelerator pedal input. Throttle Actuator Control, TAC, motor, Bank 2. Location: built into the throttle body assembly on Bank 2. Function: controls the throttle plate electronically. Accelerator pedal position sensor, APP sensor. Location: attached to the accelerator pedal inside the driver's cabin. Function: sends throttle input signals to the ECU, which then adjusts the throttle body opening. Engine control unit, ECU PCM. Location: usually under the hood or inside the cabin near the firewall. Function: controls the throttle actuator and processes accelerator input. Wiring and connectors location: between the throttle body, TAC motor, app sensor and ECU. Function: ensures proper power and signal transmission between components. Common causes of P0639, faulty throttle body or throttle position sensor. Bank 2, a worn out or misaligned sensor can cause throttle malfunctions. Defective throttle actuator control motor. Bank 2, if the motor is failing, it won't control the throttle plate properly. Bad accelerator pedal position sensor. Incorrect signals from the pedal sensor can cause the throttle to malfunction. Wiring or connector issues. Corrosion, loose connections or broken wires can disrupt throttle control signals. Engine control module problems. If the ECU is faulty, it may not regulate the throttle system properly. How to fix P0639? Step 1. Inspect and clean the throttle body. Bank 2. A dirty throttle plate can cause airflow restrictions. Step 2. Check the throttle position sensor and throttle actuator control, motor. Bank 2. Test the voltage and replace if faulty. Step 3. Inspect the accelerator pedal position sensor. If it's faulty, replacing it can fix the issue. Step 4. Examine the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires between the throttle body and ECU. Step 5. Perform a throttle relearn procedure. After repairs, reset the code using an obd2 scanner and test drive. Final words. Ignoring P0639 can leave you with a sluggish, underperforming engine and unsafe driving conditions. Fixing this issue restores acceleration and throttle response. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0532, AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit low input. P0533, AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit high input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.